How do we control anger?
Have you observed yourself when you're angry? Have you observed your motives when you are angry with the other person? If you observe keenly when you're angry, what are you trying to achieve? You will see that either you want to crush the other person with your words or with your hands. And if the situation is bigger than you, then you want to crush yourself. So first understand what anger is. It's a destructive force. There is no good in it. It will always create disharmony. And if you're wise, you know that it leads you to poverty. Losing friends is also poverty. Losing family is also poverty. And if your anger is so strong within your body, within your being, that you throw things around, then it's also going to make you physically poor as well, because you're destroying your own property. Hence, anger has always been considered throughout man's history as an evil force within a human being. More evolved spiritual understanding of anger is that it is an entity within a human being. An entity which is made of fire within, a conscious energy made up of fire. So first you need to know some information about what anger is. Once it takes hold of your mind and your body, it makes you do a lot of things which in hindsight you feel regret about. And that regret is a sign that anger is not you. Anger within is something other than you. When you're angry, if you pay attention to the feelings which it brings into your body, you will realize that anger prompts you essentially to be disrespectful. Think about it. Why is that? Why, in a situation of conflict, you have to turn into a person which imposes disrespect on the other person? One should never allow themselves to be disrespectful to any other life form. You should not have any ambition in your heart to be dominant over other people. You should not have any desire of power in your heart. So, anger essentially is the child of the devil living within you. Just like in the story of Adam and the devil wants to overpower humanity, dominate humanity, dominate a human being, dominate a child, dominate a woman, dominate anybody. So it's the same story playing in your body. Just like the devil wanted to rule the world. He didn't want Adam to be second in command. He wished to be the second in command of God on this planet. Now you remember, every time you get angry, you want to dominate your wife, your child, your employees, people on the street. It's the instinct to overpower other people. That's why anger should not be allowed to express through you at all costs. All costs. There is no justification for anger. Even if you are a judge and killing a criminal judiciously, you must exercise power only for the sake of justice, never through anger.